Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the backup software replacement. BMC, AMI, cloud data, consolidates multiple backup and tape management software products into a single solution that dramatically reduces cost and provides a complete replacement of existing backup and tape management software. It can even run side by side with traditional backup and tape management software for simplified migration. And with parallel restore from the cloud business continuity is less of a worry. Take advantages of cloud scalability and flexibility. In contrast to any possible configuration on configuration of on-premises storage, the cloud is limitless in terms of scalability and flexibility, as well as highly automated. In practice, this means storage can be optimized for the most cost-effective tier to deliver the performance you need. Reconfigure it easily on the fly as needs change and access it at a moment's notice is the right approach for storage in a world that demands speed agility and speed. Look at the picture. So thanks for watching our today's video. We hope you like the video. Share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.